A very warm welcome, gentlemen. May I now request you, John, to kindly say a few words.
A very good evening to all of you, and yes, I am here not in capacity of an actor, but in the capacity of someone that's done exactly what most of you have done out here, all of you rather. First of all, a warm welcome to the Honourable and very affable Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal. Piyush Pandey, who's a colleague of mine in the last film that I produced, Madras Cafe. Piyush, it's a pleasure seeing you again off screen. And Pradeep, thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure. Neeraj and Nakul, I'm really happy seeing you. And a lot of my advertising friends out here, like I say, I was a media planner, a strategic planner and an implementation buyer. And here I am as an actor and as an environmentalist, more importantly. And I would love to add to the cause that these awards are doing. And once again, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much, John. Our chief guest for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed a multifaceted personality. Very articulate, always willing to lend a helping hand, equally at ease at any business meeting, a party worker conference, or in the parliament. A rank holder in Chartered Accounts exam, and a lawyer to boot. We are privileged to have with us this independent charge of coal, power, new and renewable energy, Government of India. Namaste, sir. A very, very warm welcome. May I please request Mr. Swami to kindly escort the Honourable Minister on the stage. Well, sir, it's a very august occasion. May I please request you to say a few words? Either way.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Swami, for inviting me here. Mr. Guha. Mr. Roy, Mr. Guha was also here. Yeah, Mr. Guha. Pradeep is there, right? Hi, Pradeep. Rana, very dear old friend. John, who helps brighten up every morning when you're at the gym trying to wake up and you see desi boys in front of you, so you know you're awake. My very dear friend Piyush Pandey, who's probably played one of the most critical roles to my being here as a minister today. Bindu is here, see a lot of other friends. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I really don't know what I'm doing in an advertising function, but I certainly am delighted to be in a program which is recognizing sustainability, which is recognizing our concern for planet Earth. And I'm delighted that the communication industry, the advertising world, is willing to recognize the importance of this very, very important subject. My compliments to the International Advertising Association and all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for actually serving society in your own way, in bringing an awareness about this critical and serious aspect of the future of the world. And in one sense, some of the advertisements that I saw, some of what I've heard, truly reflect the passion with which you have done this work. On my part, I would like to acknowledge a very, very important contribution of your industry to making this world a cleaner place to live in, to make it more sustainable. I was just mentioning to Mr. Swami, 14th December is World Energy Conservation Day. And as we celebrate each year this day, this year we had a large program at Vigyan Bhavan where I was interacting with school children from 14 schools across India through video conferencing. I think by now you're all familiar, the Modi government works a lot on video conferencing and pan-India networking. But we had children from 14 schools from as far away as Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tripura, Punjab, Gujarat, Puducherry. And of course, I learned a lot that day what the children, how passionate children are about this subject. But I want to applaud and acknowledge Piyush Pandey's contribution on that day. Ogilvy and Mather and Piyush personally presented me with a film that day, a 1-minute film where children were giving out the message of energy conservation, energy efficiency. And I want to thank Piyush from the bottom of my heart for that excellent contribution. I actually wanted to have it played, but technologically we could not get it up and about right now. But I don't know, some of you may have seen it on television screens. We tried to play it in December and January on several channels. But truly, I feel redeemed that the message that Prime Minister Modi wants the world to know, wants everybody to participate in, the message of leaving behind a cleaner planet for the next generation, the consciousness that all of us need to have about energy, about renewable energy, about conserving energy, and about the climate change, the effects of climate change, cannot be done unless all of you participate in this endeavor. And I'm glad that your association in its 5th year is recognizing sustainability, is recognizing advertising which leads to a cleaner and greener planet. And I compliment all the award winners this evening for the good work that they've done. Just to take it forward from what you mentioned, you spoke about the inconvenient truth that Vice President Gore had come out with while he was Vice President 7 years ago. In fact, he was at my place probably 2 weeks back, and we were having a very interesting dialogue on the effects of climate change and what India is doing to mitigate the future impact of carbon emissions. But I mentioned to him, and I'm happy to share with you, the difference between highlighting the inconvenient truth and acting on it. Prime Minister Modi, when he was Chief Minister of Gujarat, had come out with his version about climate change, which he titled Convenient Action. And I believe what all of you are doing is a part of that convenient action to mitigate the inconvenient truth. And I once again compliment you for that. I believe the world now has had enough platitudes about sustainability. We've heard a lot of good dialogues, we've heard a lot of good promises. It's now time to act on all of that. And I believe unless we all put our heads and hands together, unless we all act on this pledge to take the message of a cleaner planet for the next generation, addressing the challenges of climate change, leaving behind a better place to live in for the next generation, unless we all make that the mission of our life, unless we all accept this to be our responsibility. And if I may just turn around what you mentioned, typically we all want these things to happen, but we are happy for you to be the change that I want to be. I think it's important for us to be the change and not expect everybody else to do the bidding and only pontificate. So it's very, very good to see the enthusiasm in the advertising industry. Personally, I'm very aware of the power of advertising. I have myself experienced what good communication, what strategic communication, like what John was doing once upon a time, good media planning, strategic thinking on how to convey the message. If that can be done efficiently, and Piyush Pandey, Sam Balsara also I saw over here from Madison, who handled my whole campaign for the BJP campaign during the 2014 election. Prasoon, I was told, is not able to be here. He had written the anthem for the campaign. But truly what Piyush Pandey did, what all of them did, was communicate the message of change, communicate the message of Prime Minister Modi. Let the people know what we stand for, what he stands for, what he believes in, what are his ideas, what is his objective. And in that sense, I have personally experienced the power of the media, power of the advertising world, the power of communicating a message smartly, economically, efficiently. And in that sense, I would appeal to all of you. And I would earnestly appeal to all of you, whether you are media houses, whether you are advertising professionals, the models, the planners, the excellent artists that we have in the industry. And incidentally, Piyush will recall Amir and Piyush Pandey, Sunil Alak. They've all been working very actively to take the message of energy conservation.
Sometimes all we need is a little tap on our shoulder. But I think, sir, with your valuable words, you've literally jolted us and renewed in us the energy and refueled us to make sure that our passion towards our planet Earth is going to actually make some serious results. Is that a yes? Initiative, please. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Ms. Prerna on stage. There you go, Mr. Goyal. You just have to say the word and it is done. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for a bright future, for a happier planet Earth. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Ms. Prerna. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very, very much. While the Olive Crown Awards are all about saluting excellence in communicating sustainability, we have two very special awards that are indeed, ladies and gentlemen, working as one, but one for all. Thank you very, very much, madam. It would really be wonderful to hear you put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure your palms are warm by now. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Ms. Abdulali. Thank you very much, ma'am. May I please request you, I'll hold that. May I please request you to finish with your words? Thank you.
Thank you so much for this wonderful award to the Olive Crown IAA. And I can't believe I'm standing here in front of so many industry stalwarts and Minister Piyush Goyal, John Abraham, Ramesh Narayan. Thank you very much for inviting me here. I have always done my best to do whatever I can for the environment I feel passionately about, but I never thought that I would actually receive an award here alongside people like Dr. Sarabhai and Maneka Gandhi and Ritu Sehgal. So thank you very much for giving me this award. I would just like to say that I believe that working for the environment is a matter of a very personal conviction. For me, it started very simply when I started working on noise pollution, but I didn't realize what noise pollution was, how important it was, until people started calling me. And when they started calling me and crying on the phone and telling me that it was worthwhile just having someone who would listen to them, even if I couldn't help them, that's when I realized what noise pollution really was. I request all the people here, the advertisers, the minister, that we've talked of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Of course, garbage is very important. We need a clean country. But cleanliness is more than just garbage. Cleanliness includes pollution like air pollution. It includes noise pollution, which was one of the most major issues. Mumbai is the noisiest city in the world. It's affecting all of our health. We need to take that equally seriously, equally importantly, not just festival noise, but the everyday noise we all face, traffic, firecrackers, which also has air pollution components, all those things. The other issue I've been very passionate about is sand mining.
Thank you very much, Mr. Poole. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. When anyone speaks about the green credentials of your bank, we will reaffirm with an emphatic yes. Let's give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for doing all that you do. And we congratulate you on all the work that you've done so far. Wishing you all the best in the future. Thank you very, very much. One grand presentation this evening deserves and follows yet another. May I please request President Swami joining us this evening. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for sharing your views, your values, and your inputs. Thank you. Applause, applause, they all. Thank you, gentlemen. May we now request for the jury AV, please.
I'm very happy to be part of.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am, and heartiest congratulations to you. Congratulations.
तुम दिखा के काट देना CNN पे जाना दो ले लो दो क्या लेना है
Thank you very, very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with that,
जॉन सबसे पहले तो इस अवार्ड के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे किस तरह का
एक सेकंड सॉरी ईशान सॉरी एक सेकंड सॉरी ईशान
जॉन
थैंक यू
जॉन सबसे पहले तो इस अवार्ड के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे किस तरह का अवार्ड था यहाँ
जी हमारे साथ प्रदीप गुआ है आप इनसे पूछिए ये हमारे मेंटोर हैं और ये बहुत बड़े विजनरी है और उनकी वजह से मैं आज यहाँ हूँ इस अवार्ड पे और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि ये एनवायरमेंटली कॉन्शियस अवार्ड है और काफ़ी सारे एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज़ को क्रिएटिवली काफ़ी सारे अवार्ड्स मिले
यहाँ पर जो है हमारे देश में ये
थैंक यू
काफ़ी